Are you scrolling through social media, craving the perfect meme to capture your thoughts, but struggling to find just the right one? Introducing SuperMeme, where you could turn any text into a hilarious meme with just a few clicks. So, how exactly do you transform text into a meme using this ingenious tool? Step 1. Simply click Text to Meme and enter your prompt. Then hit Generate to unleash a plethora of meme possibilities. Step 2. Browse through the generated memes and pick your favorite. With just a click, it's ready to download. But what if you want to customize your meme even further? SuperMeme has you covered. Click Edit to tweak the caption color, adjust the text position, or even rewrite the caption. And that's not all. With SuperMeme, you can also create themed images in a snap. Just enter your desired topic, upload your own image, choose a template, and watch as 3 perfectly tailored memes appear before your eyes. Preview each one, pick your favorite, and make any necessary edits with ease. Adjust the text position, change the caption color, and at last, click Download. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for a more awesome video.